while you are installing Windows 11, you will get this set of window. Here I am selecting Windows 11 Pro, then I will click on next. Here it is showing the PC must support TPM 2.0. This is very old PC and it is not supporting TPM. So I will bypass this TPM error and we will do some changes. I will press Shift plus F10 here. Then we will get this CMD window. We will type here regedit, regedit, then press enter. After that we will get this registry window. Here we need to make some changes. So you need to follow each step one by one. You can see on the screen. You need to make these changes. After creating the key, we will click on back button. Then we will select Windows 11 Pro again and click on next. So now you can see we will get this license agreement window. We will accept this one and proceed the installation. So in this video we learned how to fix TPM error while installing Windows. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and share the video. I will create more video like this. Thank you so much.